Hello guys, welcome to Kumar Consulting. So guys, look at here the topic of this session, account editing option. If you talk about account editing option guys, it is having several controls. But right now, I have just come up with a requirement here, and that is the requirement which I am going to explain is the transactions should be posted only in local currency. Let's suppose there is a user and there is an instruction from the management to that particular user that you are required to be posted all the invoices in local currency, in the sense whatever the invoices are being sent by local vendor, those invoices only supposed to be posted by that particular user. So now what will happen, it means that particular user is not authorized to post any transactions in foreign currency, but this instruction has been given by management. But how such kind of controls are going to be imposed guys, how such kind of controls are applicable in SAP? So such kind of controls are possible with the help of this account editing option itself. It means the setting which is required is available in account editing options. Of course, account editing options are having lots of other controls also, but our requirement is going to be met here, and that's what I have kept the topic account editing options. I'll just let you know guys how it is going to happen. So we'll do one thing, use transaction code FB60. Okay, I'll show you with the example. So let's suppose I'm having a vendor here and let's suppose by mistake I've changed the currency. Okay, and if you give 1000 here, press enter. So there is no issues guys, look at your system is aligned, right? There is no any error message, warning message, nothing is there. And if you want to post the transactions, system will allow. Okay, there won't be any issues now. So here the requirement is, now there should be control on such kind of things or such kind of mistakes supposed not to be happen. So how it is going to happen guys, how such control is there? Look at here, we are having editing option. This is called account editing option also guys. If you click on editing option, we are having several controls are there guys. Look at here, account editing option is having lots of control, but our requirement is the transaction must be posted only in local currency. Look at here, the very first we are having this functionality, this control functionality. If you apply a check mark here, documents only in local currency, and if you save it, then look at the impact. Click on back button. After applying the check mark, you must have to save this, and then only you have to click on back button. Now, okay, so we'll do one thing. Now refresh the transactions. So /n FB60 once again we are going to use guys. Okay, so look at here. What is happening guys? If you look at here, then there is no change on other field except this currency field. Now earlier in the previous transaction, currency field was editable field, but right now what is happening, the moment we have applied a check mark over there in account editing option control, then what is happening here, this field is converted and it become non-editable field. So it means there is no possibility of mistake guys, even by mistake if the user is going to change also, or then the changes are not applicable. Why? Because this field become non-editable. So in that case what is happening guys, user is not having any choice, in the sense like even there is no possibility of making such kind of mistake. So here this account editing options guys, as I said, like there are it's having several controls, right? You can explore, you can do some research and all, try to find out what is the usage of other fields and all. Even this whatever account editing control option is there, that can be, you can go through by FB00 transaction code also. Okay, look at here, the same things are there, but yes, some more functionalities are going to be added here. There are every tab certain controls are there, guys. Okay, so even through FB00 also you can go and make the changes, or else here itself we are having the shortcut options, so you can click on edit options and you have to apply a check mark over there, where so the check mark on documents only in local currency. So this is how we are going to apply, okay, such kind of control. So that's all in this session, guys. See you soon with a new topic in next video.